Hey guys, welcome back to the nature vlog, and we are 5-star explorers. We're gonna be exploring this beautiful resort here. No, actually, it's not really a resort. We're just exploring nature today.
Let's just figure out this place. That's someone's undies.
Where?
Right there.
Ew. Somebody died here, guys.
Wait, guys, don't mind me. I'm a cameraman, so just keep walking. But what did we see? Oh, never mind. Never mind. With my cast. Okay, guys, what do y'all think about that place?
I can see a lot of grasshoppers jumping in here. Pretty nice.
Okay, Sasha, your review?
Nature vlog.
What the heck are you talking about?
Like, what did you think about seeing the underwear?
I would have went over there if Suki didn't whine.
Okay.
And I didn't see the underwear.
Okay, Sheridan?
Because I couldn't.
I really wish someone
Don't hold
told
the
me
camera.
This was outdoors. I'm
Shouldn't.
sweating my balls off.
Literally a nature preserve.
No, I just genuinely thought it was indoors.
Okay, Bubba, where are we going next?
We're gonna do a reverse. Just gonna go back over here. We're gonna go to a different path from the start.
Okay, let's get it on. Wow. Whoa, what was that? In the trees. Ow! Wait, is there a fight going on?
What?
Oh,
What are you talking about?
I'm the cameraman.
Can I talk? Can I talk?
Yeah, go ahead.
This is actually really cool, though.
Yeah. Guys, if anything drama goes on, I'll have to film it.
Help me find a praying mantis.
Okay. What's that again? What? Oh,
What is that? Is that a ball?
no, Shush, that's a tree.
Where?
This way.
Is that a path? Let's go ahead.
Wait, is this a path?
Yeah, it's a path.
Let's go up here.
It's obviously man-made. You can see.
Oh, this is a good picture.
Okay, let's go up here. Isn't that where the cars are?
Ready to hike?
So why are we going this way?
It's
No, that's the where we came in.
Yeah, but if you want to go this way around, I don't know about going to that.
Oh, we're gonna go up here for like the aspect of it. Come on, Bubba.
Where are they? What are they doing, man?
So they don't get lost.
Yeah, you're right.
The freak.
I think that was a wild Jeep.
A wild,
Oh, where's the birds
Cameo.
at, dude?
right? Dang, that looks beautiful. That looks like some Jurassic Park stuff.
I know,
Like
right?
those trees in the
There's a
back.
giant mosasaurus
Yeah.
right there.
Chuck, can you get a picture of me standing up there? I'm
Yeah,
gonna fall
Bubba, can you
to my
film?
death and die.
Guys, I'm the cameraman, so this is the first time you'll be seeing me.
Should I stand on a rock? Pose me again.
Pose in your mouth.
Okay, you stand
No,
on
sure.
the rock, look away.
Sean, take the picture from here. Sean, take the picture from here.
From there?
Yeah, so you can see the beautiful white view of the.
Wait, Bubba, can you move?
That was
You're in the
sorry.
way. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, no, go that way.
Go which way?
Face me. Turn your body this way a little bit. Now look that way. See? Now like, ooh, nice catch. Where's my phone?
Let's go. I have it, Sean.
Oh my god.
You're so
Scared the frick out of me. Okay, I'm ending the vlog right now, but we are gonna vlog more when we get something interesting.
So should we go back out that way or go back?
Yes, we're gonna go up this way.
What is wrong with y'all?
Started flying.
What is that, bro?
Is it still there?
Where'd it go?
Stop running me except for
I don't know, but I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Why is like that?
So don't you hate when bugs do that?
Yes, bro.
They look like-
We're like, oh my god, and it's like,
Look, everybody pulled up on it.
yeah, I was like, heck no. This was racist. I'm just kidding, dude.
All right, come on, hikers. 1 and 2 and 3. Come on.
You hear that bird?
Wait, guys, walk aesthetically. I can't take pictures.
Oh,
Oh, it's just strange. Oh my god.
Sure, come on, dude. Jeez, buddy, can you walk any faster? Ooh! We just walked in the dead zone of bees. Look at all these sunflowers. Okay, sure. I really don't want to get stung.
Wait, so was this a path?
Because especially, I hate when you get stung and you didn't know it. Because that means a bee was literally on you. Whoa, yeah. Beautiful. Ooh. Look at all the grasshoppers. Okay.
Can I put it on my neck?
You do it. Look at all of them. All their phones. No, I'm just kidding. Suki, how you doing? I'll talk for her.
I'm doing pretty good. I just wish there was more water.
Okay, Bubba. Okay, welcome back to my vlogs. Get on. And I'm a vlogger. So this is it. We're in a deep nature. This reminds me of the Suicide Forest. Oh, come on, dude.
What? Dead body, dead body.
Bubba. There's Suki. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Look at a little cactus.
Yeah, we have to get all these cactus things off her.
She's real tired. But she got this, Suki. You're strong.
You know, so I'm just watch.
Okay, guys.
Why?
You get a picture of me in there?
Breathe.
Yes, sir.
Is it ready, guys?
Right now?
Sean, pose me.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys, because Shirley wants to pose. Look at that spider web.
You see a spider in it?
Oh my god.
Nope, get out. Door.
Guys,
door,
this is
door,
really
door,
bad.
door.
Guys, there's like a brown spider. That's real
Wait,
dangerous.
that looks like a demon. Oh my god.
Isn't that the one Dad got bit by of?
What if it comes like this? I'm gonna throw it.
Should go, go, go.
I'm gonna throw it.
Wait, why am I last? Look at that, guys. Look at it, guys.
It's gone. Oh, it's not.
Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay, guys, we just saw like a brown spider. I think that's the one that Dad got bit by.
I also got bit by a brown recluse.
Yeah, Sasha got bit by one, and I think Bubba got one. Doesn't it form like a bubble, Sasha? Ooh. So if you get bit by it, there's another spider web.
No, we gotta go.
How can you draw the line at spiders?
The spiders are actually creepy.
I couldn't like handle one, especially a small
Sure,
one.
there's probably thousands
No,
of
if there
spiders
was a
in here.
professional near me, I could probably hold one.
This reminds me of that, guys.
And they don't really attack you.
Okay, guys, we're vlogging. We're going down this path.
I got 3.
I just see my pet mountain lion is just roaming around.
That's not a mountain lion.
What is that? What? Uh-oh.
Did you hear that?
It's actually something.
Okay, Bubba,
moving.
go, Bubba.
Guys,
Wow, look at that butterfly.
watch out! There's something moving in here.
That was actually really creepy.
Wait, there's a butterfly.
Yeah. No, they always don't stay still. I feel like butterflies have ADHD. It went deeper in.
Whoa! What is this?
Whoa. Okay, there's a bridge over here.
Yeah, I don't want you
So,
to-
what are you eating? I'm gonna get sick.
Oh my God! Wow, there's a lot of tabs. That's it.
Yeah.
We got some.
Or they use it for a marker. Wait,
Yeah,
what'd you say?
they mark it to cut down the tree.
Oh, that's true. Dang, bro. It's probably J-Friend. Same. No, so we were walking down and we heard somebody in the bushes. What if a cougar comes out or something? What? Suki?
That was a cougar. A cougar.
Dang, look at that house back there.
Whoa! What was that? Is that a path?
Oh yeah. That's a missed opportunity.
Whoa! Look at that house down there.
I just said that.
That's a copperfish.
I feel amazing.
Okay.
Here in the outback, there's so many wild animals. Snakes, cobras, everything.
Okay, so. Guys, this is insane.
This is the giant rock I was talking about.
Should I get a picture?
Oh, it's probably telling us.
Get a picture with that?
Alright guys, that's Certain's assistant manager. We're taking really beautiful photos right now. I'm just there for her help and see what she looks like in the photos. You good?
Yes.
It's the manager. She's responsible for poses and taking the photos.
Yep.
But I'm also part of the choreography, positions, area. But also she can do that too. But she's mostly involved.
So glad I got
Stand
that.
there aesthetically. Turn around.
Oh.
No, fit. Okay, like, actually, yeah, do that again. Never mind, shut up. Let me go. Okay, pretend you're like not there. Okay, yeah, nice. Thank you.
Guys, can we please hurry up with all this?
How's everyone feeling?
Pretty good.
Whoa.
Duh.
Wait, is that a path right there? Okay.
Come back.
Yeah. Come on. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Guys,
Go.
I was off for the nature today. It's pretty nice out. I have my sunblock jacket on.
Okay.
But anyway, like It was very fun. We've seen a lot of stuff, mountain lions, everything. But honestly, very nature vlog today. So make sure y'all come back next time, and we're gonna do another video.